It is given to us that region P is the region that is bounded by the curve C. This is curve C. The x-axis, the lines x is equal to -1 and x is equal to 0. X is equal to -1, let's say it is this line here. So we have here x is equal to -1 and x is equal to 0 is the y-axis. So x is equal to 0, which means that the region P is this. And there's this region Q. This region Q is bounded by the curve C. The line x is equal to B. And we know that B is bigger than A. So A is here, which means that B can be somewhere, let's say here. So this is the line x is equal to B. And the part of the x-axis that is between A and B. So this is region Q. And it is also given to me by the question that the area of region Q, this region, is twice the area of region P. So let's first try to quote the area of region P. Area of region P. I'm going to make use of integration, but we know that if I were to be integrating from -1 to 0 of the curve, which is x to the power of 3 plus x minus 1. If I were to be doing this integral, I will be getting a negative number since this region is below the x-axis. So to get the absolute area, let's add an extra negative in front to make sure that we are looking at area as a positive number. So this, if I were to press it into my calculator, we will be able to get a 7/4. So this is the area of region P, this area here. And as for the area of Q, area of Q will be integrating from A, and from the previous part, we know that A is 0.68233, all the way until B of, again, the curve x to the power 3 plus x minus 1 dx. And this time, since the area, we can visually see that it is above the x-axis, so doing this integral, it is going to be a positive number anyway. And according to the question, this area is 2 times of this area, which means that integrating from 0.68233 of b of x to the power of 3 plus x minus 1 dx. This is going to be twice of this. So 2 times of this is 7/2. And what we are supposed to do is to solve for b. And as much as possible, let's make sure that we know how to make use of our graphing calculator. So let's try to solve for b by pressing this into our calculator. According to what I've shown you here, what we can try to do is to press this. Okay, we'll press this into the y1 of my calculator, and I'm going to press this into the y2 of the calculator. And what I'm expecting to get is, if I were to draw a graph for this, let me show you the graph. If I were to try to press graph for my calculator, the graph is going to get me something that is like this. So we will be actually drawing 2 graphs. Y1 is the blue color graph. Y1 represents this, where B is pressed as X in my equation for Y1. And of course, this red colored horizontal line is the line Y is equal to 7/2. So with B as X, that means the X coordinate of the intersections between the 2 graphs is going to give me the solution to this equation where B is the unknown. And we know that B is a number that is bigger than A. A is already a positive number. So of these 2 intersections, we will definitely be choosing the one where the X coordinate is positive. So looking at this X coordinate, we can deduce B. B is going to be equal to 1.892.